LO2. Go. Water. Go. Centaur systems. Propulsion. Go. Pneumatics. Go. LO2. Go. LH2. Go. ASGAS. Go. Electrical systems. Airborne. Go. Ground. Go. Facility. Go. RFFTS. Go. Flight control. Go. Instrumentation. Go. Com. Go. Time. Go. GCQ. Go. Unbillables. Go. ECS. Go. Redline monitor. Go. Quality. Go. Op safety manager. Go. EOA safety officer. Go. Vehicle system engineer. Go. Anomaly chief. ACS go. Range coordinator. Clear to proceed. Launch director. LD is go. You have permission to launch. Proceeding with the count. T0 is planned for 21:44:57 Zulu. Set count to start 21:40:57 Zulu.
Roger. T0 is set for 21:44:57 Zulu. Count to start at 21:40:57 Zulu.
Polling is complete, and the team has been given the go for launch. The countdown will resume in about a minute 20 seconds, and from T-minus 4 minutes until launch, you'll be listening to the launch conductor Scott Barney and his team performing the final steps in the countdown procedure. You'll hear the team confirm the securing of Atlas liquid oxygen topping, followed by the call to transfer the Atlas and Centaur stages from ground facility power to internal battery power. At T-minus 1 minute 55 seconds, the team will command the launch sequencer to start, followed shortly by securing the Centaur liquid hydrogen and liquid oxygen topping activity. At T-minus 1 minute 40 seconds, the team will command the flight control system to launch enable and arm the flight termination system. In the final minute, the Atlas tanks will be verified at flight pressures, followed by verification of the Centaur tank pressures. And a final status check of Atlas, Centaur, and Cygnus readiness will be conducted at T-minus 25 seconds. Just seconds before liftoff, the RD-180 engine ignites, performs a health check, followed by ignition and liftoff. After liftoff, you'll be hearing the voice of Marty Malinowski providing launch vehicle asset data.
One, mark.
And we're T-minus 4 minutes and counting.
3:55.
Pilot's enabled.
All systems are go. T-minus 3 minutes, 35 seconds and counting. Standing by to secure liquid oxygen topping. T-minus 3 minutes and counting. T-minus 2 minutes, 30 seconds and counting. Flight termination system has been transferred to internal. We'll be standing by for the transfer of Atlas power to internal at T-minus 2 minutes, followed immediately afterward by the transfer of Centaur power to internal. T-minus 2 minutes.
Vehicle internal.
Launch sequencer start.
Nova, that one has a round dot. Doesn't that mean it's not recording?
Secure Centaur LH2.
Your phone has a red dot, not a red square. Doesn't that mean it stopped recording?
140.
I just checked.
Launch enable. 137.
T-minus 1 minute, 35 seconds and
MDF
counting.
arm.
Everything going by the timeline.
What is happening?
Maybe it's out of space.
No.
120.
Centaur
NCS count started.
vent valves to be locked in the launch position at T-minus 1 minute, 10 seconds.
Vent valves locked.
Why isn't it starting?
60 seconds. Roger. Report range static. Range green.
Everything is go. T-minus 48 seconds and counting.
Why does my phone have to glitch now?
Stable at
It's
step
going. No, now it's not. Push the button again. There you go. No,
Atlas tank stable at step
I think
3.
it's full.
T-minus 30 seconds and counting.
Oh, there. Don't touch.
It's not.
25.
It's not going.
Status check. Go Atlas. Go
We'll
Centaur.
get it on the other.
Go OA4. 20.
T-minus 15 seconds. T-minus 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Liftoff. On the shoulders of Atlas, the SS Deke Slayton II orbital ATK Cygnus spacecraft soars toward the International Space Station.
Q is about closing control. HL roll programs, gun vibrates and good.
Listening to Marty Malinowski.
180 pump speeds and your pressures are paid for Santa Mark. Vibrates continue up and up.
Seconds into flight.
Units climbing somewhat, so we're going low. 3180. Pump speeds and your pressures all look good. I'm flying the zero angle attack base plate. HL roll prop is now complete. Vibrates controlling right down the middle. Currently accelerating at 1.6 Gs.
Standing by to pass through Mach 1.
Mach 1.
And approaching maximum dynamic
Vibrates
pressure.
continue to look good. Maximum dynamic pressure. Booster has now throttled that ground schedule. Engine response looks good. Current altitude is 10.5 miles. Downrange distance 5.2 miles. Current velocity 1,876 miles per hour. Range track shows the vehicle making good progress right down the middle of the range. Pump speeds, injector pressures look good for the throttle setting. Fire rates continue to look good.
2 minutes, 10 seconds into flight. Marty Malinowski giving us updates as the Atlas flies uphill toward the International Space
Close
Station.
stern has been enabled. Fire rates continue to look very good. Q off limited steering has begun. Vehicle is now less than 1/2 its liftoff weight. The RCS power valve has been fired. That system is now pressurizing the flight levels. Signatures look good. Current altitude is 28 miles. Downrange distance 38 miles. Current velocity 4,285 miles per hour. Coming up on our 3.5 G throttle segment.
3 minutes into flight.
has begun to throttle, 3.5 Gs. Q-off on mid stern is complete.
About 45 seconds away from booster engine cutoff. Followed about 6 seconds later by the Centaur
Launch
second
vehicle is
stage
now 1
separation.
quarter. It's lifted up. Coming up on our boost phase cool down phase. And boost phase cool down has begun. Signatures look good so far. Still throttling to maintain 3.5 Gs. Boost phase showdown is complete. And we have engine shutdown.
Engine shutdown as planned.
We have retros and stage separation. We have LOX and fuel restart. GN2 purge firing of the RCS is underway. And we have ignition and full thrust in the RL-10.
The Centaur single RL-10C engine has ignited to begin about a 13.5 minute burn that will take Cygnus into low Earth orbit, generating 22,900 pounds of thrust with the engine.
Centaur thermal conditioning firings of the RCS are underway. PU has gone active. Current altitude is 124 miles, downrange distance 332 miles. Current velocity is 9,998 miles per hour. RL-10 chamber pressures, pump discharge, and fuel injector all look good. He is controlling near nominal MR at this point.
The payload fairing that covered Cygnus has been jettisoned as scheduled.
Quick check of the booster performance shows it is nominal at this point in our review. Centaur body rates, controlling right down the middle.
6 minutes into flight.
Coming up on our dogleg maneuver. Centaur is now done the dogleg. RL-10 continues to operate well. He is controlling near nominal MR. Centaur dogleg maneuver is complete. This burn is planned for 802 seconds in duration. Coming up on the format change, data quality currently is all very good. And we have had the format change. Data has resumed. All signatures look good across the format change. Centaur has completed its role to optimize telemetry. RL-10 continues to perform well. Currently flying at an altitude of 194 miles, downrange distance 681 miles, current velocity 10,456 miles per hour.
7 minutes, 25 seconds into the mission of Cygnus to the International Space Station.
Seeing our normal thermal conditioning firings on the RCS. Flying temperatures have warmed near bottle temperatures on the RCS. Body rates continue to look good. Tank pressures are stable. Storage bottle pressures look good. Bus and battery voltages are stable as well. Range track shows vehicle continues to make good progress right down the middle of the corridor. Currently flying at an altitude of 213 miles, downrange distance 870 miles, current velocity 10,850 miles per hour. Tank pressures continue to look good, storage bottle pressures do as well. Body rates controlling down the middle. And RL10 performance looks nominal.
9 minutes after liftoff. Everything proceeding normally.
Centaur continues to perform well. RL10 chamber pressures and pump discharge, good. MR, near nominal. Body rates, right down the middle. Approaching the head-on gate momentarily. And Centaur has achieved the head-on gate at this point in its trajectory.
Picture perfect ascent so far, approaching 10 minutes into flight.
Altitude of 226 miles, downrange distance 1,191 miles, current velocity 11,621 miles per hour.
Now looking at real-time telemetry-driven animation showing the status of the Centaur with the Cygnus spacecraft.
Centaur has switched to the antenna select mode. The margins continue to look very good. RL10 continues to perform well. Chamber pressure is right in band for the SID-MR. Body rates controlling down the middle. Tank pressures look good, plus some battery voltages do as well.
11 minutes into flight. Once again, you're listening to Marty Malinowski giving you ascent vehicle information.
Normal condition environments. The system is looking very